Deleted an important file or folder from your PC and wondering how you can recover deleted files? If yes, watch the complete video because in the next 60 seconds, I will show you how to recover permanently deleted files in Windows step by step. First, check your recycle bin. Click on recycle bin, open it, and look for your deleted files. If it's there, restore it, and done. Next step is file history. If it's not there, check your backup. Go to control panel, system and security, file history. If this was turned on, you might be able to restore previous versions. To restore previous versions, right click on the folder from where your files were deleted and select restore previous versions option. If both options fail, this is the safest method. Download Advanced File Recovery on your Windows PC. You will find the download link in the description. One important thing, if your files were deleted from a drive, don't install the software in that same drive. Otherwise, your files might get replaced and you won't be able to recover them. Always install the software in a different drive. Now, as you can see, I have already installed the tool, so I'll just open it. Okay, so this is the interface. You can see all the drives here like C drive, D drive, and even external devices. Now a very important step, you have to select the same drive from where your file was deleted. Let's say my deleted file was in D drive, so I'll just select this. Next, it will ask you to choose the scan mode. I would suggest going with deep scan option because it increases the chances of recovering your files. So I'll select that and click on next. Now here you can choose what type of files you want to recover, like documents, photos, videos, audio, compressed files, or you can just select all. I will choose the required option and then click on start scan. It's searching for all the deleted files from that drive. You can already see some files showing here. I will just wait for a few seconds so it can scan properly. Once the scan is done, you can actually preview the files from here, which is really helpful because you know exactly what you are recovering. I will just select this file and click on recover. You can recover all deleted files by clicking on recover all button. Okay, now it's asking me where I want to save the recovered files. I'll just choose a location. Here is one thing to note, that don't save the recovered file in the same drive from where it was deleted. Now let's be real, recovery doesn't always work. If your data has already been overwritten, it's gone. So that's it. If this video helped you recover your file, hit like, and if you're still stuck, drop a comment. I'll help you out. Also subscribe for more simple tech guides like this.